Enjoyed watching those images? And have you ever wished to make images like these of your own? Hi, I'm Shashank Birla, a naturalist and photojournalist, and I know that though wildlife photography is an interest for many of you, there are a lot of questions you might have. Which camera? What lens size? Which brand? What settings? And I know that the answers to these questions can be quite difficult to figure out when you're starting wildlife photography. Even when you first enter the wilderness, it can be quite challenging to make good images of wildlife. The movement of wildlife itself is so unpredictable. The subject may be too far or too close, the light may be too dark or too bright, and your camera may make blurred images, images with grain or disturbance, and sometimes your camera may not be able to take an image at all. But don't worry. To help you solve these problems, we have started one-to-one live coaching sessions to help you start your journey into wildlife photography. And all of this from the comfort of your home. No pre-recorded videos. All you need is a camera, a laptop, and an internet connection. And we will be doing this live with just you, customizing the session to your camera kit and the questions and queries that you have. Once you sign up, first, if you need help with selecting a camera kit, we will be checking up the best value for money camera kit for your photography needs. We are a firm believer that you need to have a camera in hand for the learning to begin. Once the learning starts, the sessions will be broadly of two types. The first is to get you acquainted with the basic functions of your camera and the best settings required to take great wildlife photographs. And while we will be giving you examples of these settings used for wildlife images, these examples will not only help you with wildlife photography, but with photography in general. Second will be focused on how you can edit your images to give them that extra punch and help them stand out. That's right, I'm talking about post-processing your images, and we will be learning this as a series of steps. And don't worry, though this can be covered in just a day, we will be available for assistance even after the workshop to help you with any queries or clarifications. We will also be providing you reference material post a session so you can go back, read up, and practice the learnings that we exchanged during this session. We are sure that once you have these initial learnings in place along with plenty of practice, your confidence will increase. Why? Because you will see the improvement in your own work. And like they say, nothing improves confidence like success.
I learned a lot of new things, and especially I finally came to know how a camera works.
Being out in the wild is an amazing feeling, and we are sure you do want to take those photographic memories from your next wild adventure. So let us help you make this possible.